Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how to fix the unable to install the application Scarlet error on your device. So if you're getting this error, do not worry. We'll walk you through this step to fix it. So what we can do is we can long press on the Scarlet application icon in your device if that is downloaded first of all and delete the old version. So for that you can hold the application that Scarlet and look out for the install option and confirm it up and delete the application. And also clear up your storage and make sure there is enough storage for the application to be downloaded. So you can just go over and install the unnecessary application. Look out for your storage by tapping on My Files and going to analyze storage, and then look out if there is enough storage for the application to be downloaded on your device. Once it is done, what you can do is you can just go over and restart your phone before reinstalling. Hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and confirm it up. Once you do so, you can head over to Play Store once again and look out for the Scarlet application here. Just go over and search for Scarlet, and if you find it, you can just go over and download the application onto your device. And apart from that, if you're using any kind of VPN, you can turn it off and also go to your settings and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Go to connections for that and look out for stable Wi-Fi network. Also avoid using the public Wi-Fi and also try downloading Scarlet again from their official site and see if that works. Apart from that, if the direct install still fails, you can just go over and disable two-factor authentication as well. And that is it. Always download Scarlet from their official sources. Avoid using any kind of third-party application or site that offers the modded Scarlet version. And also make sure your Android device is updated to the latest version. Go to settings for that. Scroll down, find the option for software update and update your device. And that is it. That's how you fix your unable to install the app Scarlet on your Android. So if this video helped you, do not forget to like and also comment and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.